radio stations. So everything that you listen on a daily basis, like Radio Mirchi or Radio whatever, it is no less than that in terms of technology and power. The only thing is that it broadcasts only 10 to 15 kilometers, or even 20 kilometers, or even 40 kilometers, depending upon the line of sight or the place where you put the transmitter. So the transmitter is allowed in community radio for only 50 watt, not more than that. 50-watt transmitter is allowed, and community radio is only allowed or given the license to those people who run an NGO or on the name of NGO. The NGO cannot be more than less than 3-year-old. It has to be more than 3-year-old, and you should have a very strong engagement with the communities. So for example, even in urban areas also you get a license, but मुश्किल होती है, because there are other community, there are other radios and other medium of communication is there. As far as the law is concerned or the rules are concerned, you get a license from Ministry of Information Broadcasting. I am one of the member of the licensing committee. So that's you apply the application to the Ministry of Broadcasting, Information Broadcasting, and then they get this entire licensing goes to 5 ministries: Ministry of HRD, Ministry of Home, Ministry of Defence, and Ministry of IT, for various reasons. जैसे मान लिया कि you have applied for let's say Bastar in Chhattisgarh, okay, so they will check whether that place has got any other spectrum or not of a similar kind, that spectrum that has been allocated to you. Allocated means कि उन्होंने एक फिक्स कर रखा है 102 point something करके एक स्पेक्ट्रम फिक्स कर दिया है फ्रीक्वेंसी, जो कम्युनिटी रेडियो के लिए है, बट इट मे क्लैश विद लोकल. सो लोकल में क्या होता है, डिफेंस का कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, होम अफेयर्स का कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, बॉर्डर में आपका नहीं होना चाहिए प्लेस, नक्सलाइट इन्फेस्टेड एरिया में होगा तो सिक्योरिटी रीजन से दे माइट नॉट गिव यू. ऑल दोज रीजन्स आर देयर, बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट, according to the rule, your engagement with the community is not something that there is any compromise. You have to have a very strong engagement with the community, because that is the reason why it is community radio. It is for the community and by the community. When we say for the community, it's very easy. हमारा NGO है, हमने स्टेशन बिठा दिया, ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिटी के फ़ायदे का बात कर रहे हैं, बट दैट इज़ नॉट एनफ. 50%, let's say I broadcast 2 hours a day, at least 1 hour of that 2 hours program should be made with an involvement of the community.
Example.
For example, let's say this is the college. This college can also get a community radio license, being a not-for-profit organization or a society. So let's say this college takes a license, and it takes on the basis of the community living around them. ये ना, यहाँ पर इधर बस्ती है, इधर गांव है, इसके लिए वो लोग मान लो कि उनके लिए, उनको सर्व करने के लिए लाइसेंस ले रहे हैं. तो लाइसेंस लिया और हमको जो मर्जी, हम बोलते हैं अच्छा यहाँ गरीबी बहुत है, तो पॉवर्टी पे आप प्रोग्राम आधा घंटा बना दो, फिर बोलो कि यार यहाँ पर खेती बाड़ी का काम बहुत होता है तो खेती बाड़ी पे कर दो. लेकिन गांव वाले जब इन्वॉल्व नहीं होंगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा? सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू call the people, you tell that you sit here, or you go and take your camera and whatever, your audio, and talk to them, interview them, and it should be their voice, it should be their go to panchayat people, talk to them, have a meeting with them and record it and then edit it and broadcast it. So that's basically, it's not only about them, it is with their involvement that the program is supposed to be made. That's the
so this compares to how does this compare with, say, an internet radio system, where in terms of that is also digital broadcasting method, only thing is you need an internet access device.
So this is FM.
Huh?
This is FM.
This is FM, what you're talking about.
Yeah, this is FM.
So FM
on a mobile also.
If your mobile has FM receiving thing, you can receive the frequency on.
Okay, so the purpose of this community radio is, I mean, like for example, I don't listen to radio, maybe because of maybe ads both hote or whatever.
Yeah.
So I'm not a person to catch it, and then again, I'm more of a person that maybe with my schedule, I like to listen to something that might have gone on and stuff like that. And that sometimes is possible with this podcast technology or whatever. How does this compare in terms of a need for something that will you have to catch it live? उसी टाइम पे वो broadcast आ रहा है, उसके बाद निकल जाएगा. You'll miss it. Like for example this one, अभी 4 ही जन बैठे, बाकी जन पता नहीं वो लोग ये मिस हो कोई कहीं और पे है. And they're going to miss this stuff.
ओके सो इसका बहुत सिंपल आंसर है. मतलब आंसर ये है कि मिस तो मिस बिकॉज
अच्छा.
हाँ हाँ बिकॉज एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल नॉट मिस बिकॉज द रीज़न इज दैट गांव में ना वो सिस्टम नहीं होता है कि यार मिस कर गए तो फिर अब लैपटॉप लगाओ फिर कनेक्ट करो, ये सब नहीं होता है. दे हैव टू लिसन टू द कम्युनिटी रेडियो ऑन द टाइम दैट दे हैव द रेडियो अवेलेबल. So when this community radio is basically 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer radius that they are broadcasting. If they are broadcasting 10 to 15 kilometer, this NGO has already created enough canvassing and awareness. All the local people, the program is for local people, and they would announce that our broadcasting starts at 6 a.m. in the morning, finishes at 10 o'clock in the morning, and the repeat program happens 2 o'clock in the afternoon, finishes at 5, and then other programs are there, starts at 7 in the evening and 10 in the night. So there is a lot of repetition, number one. Number two is that according to the timing they make the program also. In the morning most of the people go to the field, so they also do the cultural thing, folk music, this, that, all those things they do.
So they take the radio to the
No, so they, since the awareness is there, they have the radio or they listen on their mobile. In some very very progressive and advanced community radio station running NGOs, they even distribute radios.
अच्छा.
Because today even in 50 rupees you can get a FM radio. It may work in just 50 days, but you can get FM radio in 50 rupees, in 100 rupees, 200 rupees, you can get very good radio. Very, very good radio. So, now price is not too much of a barrier. Okay. So that's number one. Number two is, coming back to whether there is a possibility of internet radio or how do you compare. In community radio, all the programs are supposed to be kept into the archive for 60 days, according to the rules of the government. So every community radio, what they have started doing, they have started their website also, they are streaming also.
Acha.
Many of them do the streaming. Since the streaming server is very costly, we are now, in fact next month we are going to have a meeting. We are going to start a YouTube channel of all the community radio programs made by the NGOs.
Fantastic.
So, and it's audio, so podcast integrated with YouTube.
Yeah.
And many a times when you go for reporting, you don't need to only record on the audio. We are encouraging that use your mobile, use the video also, because that will give an additional feature on YouTube when you do the broadcasting.
Yeah.
So those are some of the things that we are trying to do. The reason I held this meeting is because I really wanted to convey that, listen, there is no medium available at a grassroots level, at a village level. They have no medium available, really speaking. TV is one house but may not be hundreds of houses and all that, very few. Even if it is there, they might be having just few channels or something. Audio is something that they carry all the time. They have mobile, they can listen. There is hardly any medium available to them. So community radio is such a powerful thing in terms of involvement, in terms of voicing their thought process, their voice, their need of the media, because at the end of it you need media in your life. No? You want to read, you want to listen, you want to watch, these are media. So in 10 kilometers having a possibility of your own radio station which you can call yourself and talk to them. Phone in has become so easy, because earlier when you used to listen to radio, you just listen to radio, but today it's so easy now. Number is there, you use your mobile, you don't have to go to booth, you don't have to go to find a phone. Now phone is everywhere, so you can do a phone in conversation, and it's live. It will be live. It will be live also.
How much does it cost
to set up the community radio? Community radio can be set up in as less as 2.5 lakh, 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh, up to 20 to 30 lakh. It all depends on the paraphernalia that you want to create. I will talk about the cheap wala side. The biggest cost is the transmitter cost. Why it is a transmitter cost is because you cannot buy transmitter from any Tom, Dick and Harry. You can make a transmitter. You go to internet, download the formula, and you can make a transmitter. It will cost you 5,000, less than 10,000 or whatever.
Acha.
I know a guy who built a transmitter in 100 rupees.
Acha.
And broadcasting 15 kilometers.
Acha.
He works with us.
What's the problem?
but he has no license to sell it.
Oh,
So your transmitter need to go through the industrial research or whatever that happens, where government certify, okay, this product now can be sold in the market with commercial value, and you are granted the license to do that. Because all the products in these kind of scientific or science related, you just cannot build and sell it, because it can be a security hazard. So they have you need to have the license of manufacturing or something of this license. That's a tedious process. So earlier the cheapest transmitter used to cost around 2.5 lakh or something. Now Nomad, who is based in महाराष्ट्र, बॉम्बे के पास, क्या नाम है उसका, it will come to my mind. So this guy called यार उसका भी नाम है. So Nomad is the name of the organization who has created a cheap
radio
transmitter which cost around 70,000 or 80,000 to 1,20,000. And because of that, the cost has become half, because you are not no more paying 2,50,000. You are paying much lesser, and therefore people are buying two transmitter, one as a backup and one as the proactive or the active transmitter. So transmitter is the cost, and then the studio is the cost. So in villages, you don't need a hi-fi acoustic wala kind of studio. Many of the studios, like we together with Barefoot College build the studio in almost no money. We use the egg tray, put it on the wall, because egg tray is a huge acoustic system.
Achha.
It's acoustic system. Then you put all the curtains of different kind of thickness, and then it becomes acoustic. And in Tilonia, it is a desert area, so they have created underground, खोद के कमरा बना दिया. So you go inside, under the belly, you go and there is a studio. So there is no noise at all. So there are many ways you can do it, studio. But our experience is that most of the educational institutions who take a license, they spend a lot of money, 20-30 lakhs. But most of the NGOs who get a license, they spend around 5 to 10 lakh. So I would say 5 is a very safe budget for setting up a community radio, including studio and transmitter and broadcasting equipment.
This includes license cost, or that is extra?
License के लिए there is very less cost.
It's a process that you have
It's
to get
a process.
approved.
Yeah, absolutely.
I see. They do some background checks.
Background checks, or they do interviews with the NGOs. They go and check whether the community is really being served by you or not. Do you have any past, at least if not experience, at least a very strong intention and the knowledge about your community, and how do you do that? So there are 3 million NGOs in our country, यार. I mean, forget about 3 million. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि 2.5 लाख पंचायत है हमारे कंट्री में. एक पंचायत में 1 या 2 विलेज होता है. तो हम कह रहे हैं कम से कम यार 20-25 हज़ार 50 हज़ार तो कम से कम रेडियो स्टेशन हो, तो एटलीस्ट देयर विल बी अ ह्यूज मोमेंटम दैट कैन बी सीन ऑफ कंजम्पशन ऑफ न्यूज़ एंड न्यूज़ आर नॉट अलाउड, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इंफॉर्मेशन होगा, फिर वो लोग अपनी बातें करेंगे एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. Government is quite supportive in giving the license. DIT is very nasty in terms of not giving the spectrum so easily, because वो process में सबसे लास्ट में जाकर वहाँ पर बहुत लंबा चौड़ा ब्लॉक हो जाता है. ऐसे लास्ट एक साल में एक भी लाइसेंस नहीं मिला है. Although LOI 250-300 को मिल चुका है. LOI मतलब लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट कि yes you are going to get it, but वो स्पेक्ट्रम पे रुका हुआ है. So bottom line is that if there is any NGO that you people know, if there is any NGO that you think who is working very strongly in a community, I think we should tell them to apply. And genuinely I am canvassing, because from the government perspective, they also say, okay, let's have the genuine NGOs rather than वो briefcase NGOs also keep on applying और ले लेते हैं और वो फिर दादागिरी शुरू कर देंगे लोकल. मेरे पास तो रेडियो है, कुछ गलत खबर कर दिया, कुछ कर दिया, एक्सप्लॉइट भी कर सकते हैं. सो वो सब भी इशू है. But it's a great medium because of the invention of the mobile also. Because of the interactivity and phone-in program की वजह से it becomes very live. So I really wanted this message to go through. So everybody that you people meet, you must tell them to go for community radio. अपना टीवी स्टेशन हो नहीं सकता आपका, अपना न्यूज़पेपर निकालना मुश्किल है. You cannot take out your, all those things. So 2-3 things that we can do. I mean, we give free website to NGOs, so might as well also, you know, if you have a radio station, website, then your dissemination and linkage to the outside world increases, and that's very, very important.
This radio that comes on a mobile, which is what, 1200 bucks, 1500 bucks का phone आता है?
या उसमें आता है.
उसमें 15
उसमें
रुपए वाला
FM
phone
होता
में
है.
आता है FM
You just have to put the headphone.
and वही antenna बन जाता है.
Absolutely,
and you can
absolutely.
Now, this Android phones are getting as cheap as 3,500-4,000 now.
Yes.
But is the internet still expensive on these prepaid packs that for to stream audio, streaming of audio only?
It's not very expensive. It's not expensive. In fact, audio is going to work out much better because bandwidth है ही नहीं. Even if you take mobile and you take internet, internet on mobile is still on 2G or you know BPS.
काफी स्मूथ चल रहा है.
काफी स्मूथ चल रहा है और कनेक्टिव मिल रहा है and उसका डेप्थ भी, उसका मतलब पेनिट्रेशन भी काफी डीप है. तो I think audio streaming can work very well. And no, so what we are going to develop is that create podcasts and downloadable files. So you don't have to really all the time stream on the net. So you download the files and keep listening on your own separately. Especially the entertainment wala part, the folk part, the cultural part. You know, leave away the contextual one. You know, which you don't need to really download.
I'll tell you my experience with the rural part of Rajasthan. वहाँ पे so I worked in schools and I worked with teenagers community का झुंझुनू में. वहाँ पे क्या है कि सबके पास अभी almost if I calculate the figures तो जितने यूथ से मिला था उसमें से कम 30 से 40% को फेसबुक एक्सेस था. और गांव में जहाँ पे काम करते थे वहाँ पर भी हर 2 घर में एक टीवी तो था ही था, है ना. तो ये मेरा एक क्वेश्चन रहा है कि कम्युनिटी रेडियो है जो हम बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें ऐसे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कितना रेलेवेंट है वहाँ पर. देखो सेंसी, सो इवन दो दे हैव दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मीडिया, it is still very top down model जो उनका मीडिया.
Absolutely. So you replied yourself.
Yeah.
Most of the media are top down. It's not bottom up. तो कम्युनिटी रेडियो के साथ कम से कम ये है कि at least the policy wise it asks you to be bottom up.
Yeah, but the thing is, ऐसे में their attention where there is visual medium और जो बाकी चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा it has an edge above community radio. They have Facebook and all. So I don't know कि वो कितना effective रहेगा उधर ऐसे context में. Like take a city. There's गुड़गांव में एक है,
गुड़गांव की आवाज़.
हाँ, और एक रेडियो मेवाड़ है.
मेवात.
हाँ,
मेवात है और रेडियो मेवात है और एक और है
सिटी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में.
नहीं, मेवात में 2 हैं. एक रेडियो मेवात है और एक है अल्फाज मेवात. 2 है मेवात में.
तो
दिल्ली में तो 10 के करीब है
दिल्ली में.
हाँ, दिल्ली में तो इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन है, जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया के पास है. या बट दे ऑल्सो यू नो अराउंड द कम्युनिटी दे सर्व. देन गुड़गांव की आवाज़ है, देन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के पास है, देन देयर इज अनदर वन दैट दे हैव. सो देयर लॉट्स ऑफ देम.
On my mobile, if I am going and I look for the frequency, can I get the community channel?
If you are in that area.
Yeah, in that area.
Yes.
50 kilometer radius. 10
If you are in the range
kilometers.
of, in fact, you will get the frequency only when you are in that range. You know.
It will be
It will catch it. It will catch it.
Physical proximity का जरूरत है.
हाँ, it will catch it.
So I can try sometime.
Yes, absolutely.
What is coming up?
हाँ, हमने I can get you the list of the community radios who are operational in different areas, and you can see which area that you keep going frequently, and then you can check. So what you know
the question was then how do you increase the sort of ownership of the community towards the medium?
That's a huge challenge always. You know, it's a more a cultural challenge. You know, because in a country like India or in any place, what the people who are knowledgeable, people who are NGO running the NGO, people who are like at the forefront of development, they think that whatever decision I am taking on behalf of the community is the best decision. You know. उनको गरीबी मैं बोलता हूँ क्या खाओ, मैं बोलता हूँ क्या पियो, मैं बोलता हूँ मतलब मुझे ही पता है तुम्हारे लिए सबका अच्छा क्या है. ये तो बहुत ही पैट्रोनाइजिंग एटीट्यूड तो है ही हमारा. तो वो एक हज़ारों साल का जो एटीट्यूड है वो इतना जल्दी जाने वाला नहीं है. लेकिन there are examples in the country where the community radio is literally run by the community.
Tell me one or two with your experience. The ones that you've seen.
DDG or something, जो हैदराबाद ये आंध्रा में डेक्कन, हाँ डेक्कन वाला है, पूरा कम्युनिटी रन करता है. देन ये वाला है, क्या नाम है, KMVS, कच्छ महिला विकास समिति का अपना जो कम्युनिटी रेडियो है. तिलोनिया तो ऐसे भी कम्युनिटी का है वो, मतलब समटाइम्स यू फील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि यार इसमें ये लोग अभी ये भी कर सकते थे, बट दैट्स द थिंग ना कि व्हेन कम्युनिटी रन्स तो उनका अपना लेवल है, जो भी लेवल है उसी से करेंगे. तो कम्युनिटी तिलोनिया का तो हम लोगों ने जो हेल्प किया था शुरू करने में, वी हैव नो चॉइस बट कम्युनिटी ही है वहाँ तो कोई और रहता ही नहीं ना, दे हैव नो चॉइस. So there, the community itself runs. So there are 3-4 good examples of community taking the full responsibility of running the radio. But this question is I mean, question is valid, and there is no easy answer to that. And as far as the other media practices are coming in, वो तो हमेशा रहेगा. You know, it's your choice. You know, there was an era in India when radio was almost finished, but now because of the radio FM, suddenly there is a whole boom of listening to radio and the old songs and the new songs or whatever, or Bollywood songs. So radio is something that is disturbing kind of thing. You can do whatever you want to do and you are still radio. You know? तो background medium है ना वो, तो इसलिए उसमें दिक्कत नहीं होती है. Audio visual is attentive,
Active.
Absolutely.
You can't do anything else but that.
हाँ, you can't listen even if your wife is shouting at you. So तो वो तो है एडवांटेज. यूथ जो है, जो नया यूथ है, उसको किसी से बात करना है, लाइव है, शक्ल देखनी है, वो फेसबुक पे जाएगा. लेकिन वो चल रहा है, घूम रहा है, जान रहा है, और उसको वाकई कॉन्टेक्चुअली अगर उसके पास मैसेज आ रहा है जो कम्युनिटी का, तो वो कम्युनिटी रेडियो सुनेगा. और आजकल तो कम्युनिटी रेडियो इज जस्ट नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू ओनली टेकिंग द लाइसेंस. पीपल आर नाउ रनिंग कम्युनिटी रेडियो ऑन मोबाइल. Nothing to do with license. And I don't know whether you people know, in villages, in many places, they use mobile as a tool for recording and also broadcasting. IVR से करते हैं वो लोग. IVR. So there is IVR server. So I interview you with my mobile radio of 800 rupees or whatever, and then I transfer the file to the server, and from server I can dial a unique number, I can listen to the program, and I can also get recorded my program also
Something
on IVR.
that I'm doing with this one person.
And then there is a SD card. There is a SD card thing. There is an SD card thing also happening. Small SD card in the machine itself is becoming a huge popular community broadcasting medium. How I will tell you. There is a nukkad in the gaon. I will record all the programs of half an hour or 1 hour and make it available on my computer. People will come with their SD card, they will give me, I will copy the program on their SD and they will go and listen it. ये हो रहा है. I mean, revolution is taking that kind of route.
करके क्या हुआ वो बाद में जाके
नहीं, वो आप उसमें गाने का पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग कर दिया. कितने लोगों ने ऑडियो विजुअल फिल्म डाल दिया उसमें. उसका फोन अगर स्मार्टफोन है तो उसने SD कार्ड डाला, मूवी देख रहा है बैठ के अपना. So the whole broadcasting medium and the information sharing medium is becoming so, I would say, democratic in nature, is that everybody is producing content, everybody is consuming content. अब SD कार्ड के बारे में सोचो, कल फ्लॉपी होता था, फिर उसके बाद क्या क्या, पेन ड्राइव भी मारो गोली. SD कार्ड छोटा, माइक्रो SD कार्ड, छोटा वाला SD कार्ड वो लेके आते हैं. आप कंप्यूटर पे बैठे हो एंड आई चार्ज यू फॉर 5 songs, आई विल चार्ज यू 10 rupees. फॉर कॉपिंग 5 songs in your SD, आई विल चार्ज 5 rupees. इट्स अ रेवेन्यू फॉर मी. वो फिर दूसरे दिन आएगा, बोलेगा पुराना डिलीट कर दो और ये नया लगा दो. ये होता है. And the IVR thing is working at many places. Now yesterday, 3 guys from IRMA is doing internship with my organization. They have developed a voice messaging system. And what they are doing is that you choose your topic. It can be health capsule, इट कैन बी एग्रीकल्चर कैप्सूल और एनी टॉपिक कंटेंट का कोई भी आप चूज कर लो, उससे रिलेटेड वो लोग लेस देन 1 मिनट का प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं कहीं, एंड लेस देन 1 मिनट का जो वो एज ए वॉइस SMS जाता है, जिसका कॉस्ट TRAI ने फिक्स कर रखा है वॉट एवर रेट, वो पल्स उसका जो रेट है वो 1 मिनट या लेस है। आप 2 सेकंड का भी रिकॉर्ड करोगे तो 1 मिनट वाला ही चार्ज करेगा। सो दे रिकॉर्ड फॉर 59 seconds and send it and it is broadcasted over आपका सारा डेटाबेस सारे मोबाइल वालों का ले रखा हूँ मैं, और मैं वॉइस से पूरा कर देता हूँ, तो आपको पढ़ने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है SMS, और बटन दबाओ उसके बाद बस सीधा सुन लो आप। So for reminding of the medicines or prenatal postnatal kind of thing in the health or some capsule or something is very good, or weather report or seasonal weather forecast or something, it's very good. Mobile is a powerful hugely powerful. It's a total medium of journalism, broadcasting, media consumption, media production, citizen journalism, video journalism, broadcasting, video making, movie watching, TV. It's a full-fledged TV in itself. It's a purse, whatever जो कहना है कह लो आप। मतलब हम लोगों ने एक पोस्टर बनाया जिसमें से about 200 things that we have written that mobile does. I'll send you the poster. You will love it.
लास्ट स्टेज में है,
अच्छा,
अभी कुछ दिन लगेंगे लाइसेंस मिलने में। तो मुझे एक बात जो कहनी थी, तो वो सेल्फ सस्टेन कैसे हो सकता है? एक्चुअली जो फंडिंग उसमें नहीं होंगे, या एडवर्टाइजिंग हम बोल रहे, जैसे ये भी बोल रहे थे कि आज का जो मीडिया है इतना प्रभावी है, हर एक के घर में TV है, हर एक के सब चैनल है, तो ज़्यादातर रेडियो को कोई ज़्यादा सुनता नहीं है, और उसमें जो हम सोच रहे हैं कि ऐड मिलेंगे या इस हिसाब से हमको इनकम होगा और उस हिसाब से हम चलाएंगे रेडियो, तो सेल्फ सस्टेन का क्या चांसेस है?
सो सेल्फ सस्टेन का तो बहुत सारा ऑप्शन है, लेकिन एक जो ऑप्शन है कि गवर्नमेंट ने अलाउ कर रखा है कि 5 मिनट्स पर आवर एडवर्टीजमेंट आप एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं। ऑल्दो इट्स अ कम्युनिटी रेडियो, बट यू आर अलाउड टू एक्सेप्ट 5 मिनट्स ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट पर 60 मिनट्स। हर 60 मिनट पे आप 5 मिनट का ऐड आप ब्रॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं, अगर आपको मिला तो एक तो एडवर्टीजमेंट से आपको मिल सकता है।
वो एड जो है वो कम्युनिटी के होना चाहिए,
वो NGO कलेक्ट करेगा, NGO कलेक्ट करेगा कम्युनिटी के, और वही कम्युनिटी रेडियो को रन करने के लिए करेगा। अब कैसे करेगा उसके लिए एक अलग से उसको या तो फेडरेशन बनाना होगा या कोऑपरेटिव बनाना, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज NGO तो कमर्शियल पैसा नहीं ले सकता है, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा। हैविंग सेड दैट, एक जो और गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया है कि DAVP है ना, उनका DAVP जो उनका एजेंसी है, DAVP इज अ एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। सो ऑल द गवर्नमेंट एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आर रिलीज फ्रॉम DAVP। तो उन्होंने DAVP को बोल रखा है कि सारे के सारे कम्युनिटी रन करने वाले जो हैं उनको आप इम्पैनल करो, so that when the government release the advertisement, they will also announce a release of the same advertisement to be broadcasted on community radio also. So अभी आपको शायद पता नहीं है, अभी 15-20 दिन पहले पहला लॉट गवर्नमेंट एड्स का मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक और 2 मिनिस्ट्री से अभी रिलीज हुआ है, जो कि 35 NGOs को दिया गया है, और 18 लाख का बजट है एक रेडियो स्टेशन को दिया गया है। सो दैट्स अ बिग सस्टेनेबिलिटी। 18 लाख का मतलब 1.5 लाख रुपया महीना हो गया। 1.5 लाख रुपया महीना गांव में आप खर्च नहीं कर सकते इतना आसानी से।
Initial cost is there, no? Afterwards,
हाँ,
if you are not taking content which has more value, then
और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि उसको सस्टेन करने का एक और तरीका ये है कि यू यूज़ द सेम स्टाफ जो कम्युनिटी जो काम करते हैं कम्युनिटी के साथ। तीसरा तरीका ये है कि हर प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ ब्रॉडकास्टिंग का, कम्युनिकेशन का, आउटरीच का बजट होता है। हाउ डू यू डू इट? तो ये उस बजट में से लेके आप कम्युनिटी रेडियो के अंदर वो यूज़ करके उस बजट को आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। वो उसका रेवेन्यू मॉडल हो गया। एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में है लेकिन वो उसका रेवेन्यू मॉडल हो गया ना। आपको खर्चा कम हो गया कम्युनिकेशन के लिए क्योंकि आपने रेडियो से ब्रॉडकास्ट कर दिया, वो आपका सिस्टर रेडियो है, मतलब और आप ही का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो। सो इतना बजट से आप उसमें डाल सकते हो, सो उस तरह से सस्टेन कर सकते हो। तीसरा तरीका ये है कि मे बी यू कैन आस्क कम्युनिटी टू पे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड यू से कि ये तो आपका रेडियो कल बंद हो जाएगा, व्हाई डोंट यू पे मंथली 100 रुपीज और 50 रुपीज और समथिंग एंड लाइक ए SHG ग्रुप एंड यू यूज दैट मनी टू सस्टेन इट.
हाँ,
Forrest Gump. What does Forrest Gump stand for?
ये पिक्चर का नाम है ना.
It's a movie.